Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I got another great item in from Fat Quarter Shop. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. Okay, spoiler alert, you guys. I recorded this entire video and I went to process it, to edit it, and get it uploaded, and there was no sound. And so I contemplated trying to do a voiceover, but I figured it would look like one of those foreign films where they have the English subtitles or the English captions going across it. So I decided to re-record it. So I hope you can still pick up my enthusiasm. I am really excited about this box. It's a fun one. So let's jump right on in. So this is the 2025 Cupid box from Fat Quarter Shop. They do 4 different limited edition boxes every year. They do Cupid, the holiday Christmas one, the spooky box, and then the Liberty box during the summer. And then the rest of their boxes for the sew sampler, because I kind of feel like this is a lot like the sew sampler. It's just really themed towards this particular holiday. So this is our Cupid box. And it says, "We go together like a needle and thread." How cute is that? I just think that that's really adorable. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to show you this all on this front camera so that you can get a better view of everything kind of as I'm pulling it out of the box. Like I've said in a couple other videos, I'm having a ton of issues with lights and cameras and sound. And I know nobody wants to hear that, but the reality is I like to sew and I don't know so much about all the rest of this technical stuff. So I'm just trying to get there. Okay, so the first thing is we almost always are going to get a coupon on the back, and I want to kind of cover that up. We get a free pink rotary cutter case with a $40 order. And then they also have this other pattern that we can check out. And that's, I think I remember that one from last year. I'm not 100% sure though, but super, super cute. And some of the other things that we got in this box was a special oops, I'm missing my magnet. Hold on. A special Sweetheart enamel needle minder. This is the 2025 Cupid exclusive. And it is so, so cute. This is, let's see, what did they say about this? Let me get to the right page. I'm so disorganized. You guys, today has been a day. It's like really been a day. Okay, let me get you close up for it. This is the Sweetheart Enamel Needle Minder. This charming enamel needle minder is a heartwarming nod to the love we sew into every seam. Decorated with bows and stitches, this magnetic accessory is so handy for binding on the go or for adding a touch of flair wherever you please, maybe even right on your sleeve. So I use needle minders a lot when I'm doing my hand sewing projects because I've got one in the TV room and one in the car and one goes to swim team and one goes to co-op. I kind of have a lot of irons in the fire, but these are nice for that. I hadn't thought about using them for binding on the go, but that's probably because I don't hand bind. I want to hand sew, but I don't want to hand bind. I like to machine bind. That's just me. Okay, the next thing we got was this, which is so, so cute. This is the So Lovely Heart magnetic pin caddy. This pin holder captures our hearts and much more. This robust metal notion, painted in a charming pink hue, is perfect for holding all your pins and needles and is the ideal accessory for the quilter who puts their whole heart into their craft. I love it. So I think this is going to be kind of a good standby. It's nice and heavy. It actually would magnet, like if you had a metal tray that you were using, again, I'm going to quilt in front of the TV, magnetic tray that you use, like a TV tray, this would stick to that, which would be nice. But for me, I always have these extra feet kind of hanging around. And so I'm probably going to have one to the side of the machine that I just keep my feet that I kind of rotate through all the time on. So I'm excited to use that. We also got these lovely little Valentine's Day cards. We got 2. They're blank cards or even thank you notes that are so fun. And, sorry, got them all cattywampus here. And then on the back of the envelope, it is stamped with Fat Quarter Shop. So kind of fun. I need to get better at writing thank you cards. I got a lovely thank you card from a friend, and I've just made my day. Like, it's so simple and so easy to just write a little quick note. I need to do that more. So note to self, do that more. Okay, so also in our box, we have a layer cake. This is Lella Boutiques, and I'm so excited to be sewing with it again. It's called Love Blooms, and I'm going to show you each and every one of these one at a time. Like I said, I already opened it. I already got all the lint off. I bet, yep, I can still make it snow though. These pinked edges, you guys, they get me every time. Okay, so we're going to do a one by one on each one of these. The other thing that we got in here are these little labels that you can sew into your binding. Cupid Candy Hearts Premium Woven Labels. These are sew-in. This is a sprinkle of love into your quilt with Sarah Hart's delightful sew-in labels. This exclusive Cupid Candy Hearts set features 8 premium woven labels. So these are like the little, yeah, you can see that. Be mine for me. They always sell these at Valentine's Day. Honestly, they're one of the candies that are very nostalgic for me, but I don't actually like them. They kind of taste like Tums or chalky. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Maybe you like them, but very, very cute and perfect for this box. Okay, and then we have our pattern. This is called Flowers and Chocolate. There we go. Flowers and Chocolates. This is a quilt pattern that's going to be 40.5 by 48.5. So it's going to be quite large for almost everything is going to come in the kit here. We're going to have 1 1/3 yard of background and inner border that we're going to need, but that's it for the front, you guys. We're also going to need our binding right at 5/8 of a yard, and then the backing is going to be 2 7/8. So I'm really excited. This is a really cute little chocolates and flowers and little nod, but not over the top cutesy Valentine's Day. I love it. It's very fun. Prepare to fall head over heels for this fabric. Love Blooms by Lella Boutique. The fabric is a delightful mix of cheerful florals, subtle hearts, arrows, and other love symbols in dreamy pinks and reds that will leave you totally smitten. With other timeless dots and checks and wovens, this collection is a true classic. I'm going to keep rolling this out just a little bit. I'm sure I can still make a mess. Okay, now you guys may have seen this fabric recently. This is the same fabric that we got in our open gate box, but this is all 29 of the different fabric prints. So we'll see some new ones here. I love that the berries are the hearts, and now we've got this really subtle print of hearts. It's really a fun grouping. I think we're going to see that in a couple different colorways. And I love this little flower. That's really fun. This dot is really great and kind of subtle. I think if you needed any kind of red dot, you'd use that a lot. Now we've got our arrows. I really do love these arrows. They're fun. Ooh, I haven't seen that one before. That's a check. We'll have more of this text print. You know me, I love a good text print. And then in a different colorway here. So fun. Now this is a white on white. It may not show up very well on camera. I will definitely try to get you guys some better pictures one-on-one at the end for that. It's the same print as what we have here, but it's just got that white on white. Same scale, I guess. Okay, and then we've got some more hearts in a different colorway. And my favorite floral with the heart berries. And some arrows. This is red and pink and white, which is kind of interesting. Ooh, I like that a lot. I really like that print. It's kind of peachy. You could almost get away with that in a non-Cupid style. Another check. More arrows. And another cute dot. I really like these dots. I think you could definitely use those as like a basics. More of our love text. I just love the arrows, these guys. I know they've been trendy for a while now, but I do love them. And another dot. There's quite a few dots in this grouping, that's for sure. They're definitely a good basic to have. And I really like that a lot. That could go into any quilt and not pull Valentine's Day-ish at all. And some more of our heart berries and another heart print. So that's all our fabrics here, guys. So I think that's everything. I think that's everything. All right. So that's a wrap on this year's Cupid box. I hope you've enjoyed unboxing it with me. I would love to hear what you guys are going to make with yours. Are you going to make the pattern? Are you going to do something totally different? If you do like watching these unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials, please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And I'd love to see what you're making over on that private Facebook group. Don't forget to head over and check that out. So until then, guys, I will see you next time.